Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT 6T and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Firstly, open Google Chrome application or something that support long screenshot. It can be settings, something that have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. In it, press volume down and power key together at the same time and tap on scroll. And now we can add more information to our long screenshot, scrolling our screen and adding. When we have all we need, we confirm all by click done. And after processing, we have our long screenshot, which is saved in our gallery right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!